6 April this current year. I think today is, in a few days time.
One day.
So traders and landlords must use it for if their annual income from self-employment and property is over 50,000. You know, with HMRC, they want most things digital. Just like the VAT, they want you to submit digitally. For them, I think it saves them time, and they are forcing you also to do your record keeping somehow. Rather than to rely on manual things, and it's better for them if they want to audit and everything. So you see they are moving more to more online, digital and everything, so that systems do it. And it also minimizes human error and manipulation if it's a system, because sometimes if you are putting in a system, this thing is 20%, the amount is 100,000, it then calculates the 20% of this one, rather than you putting to say the 20% is this, you can make a mistake. Yes, so that's the use of the systems structure to create, store, correct digital records for your self-employment, property, income and expenses, send quarterly updates to HMRC, and submit tax returns and pay tax due. Yes.
So this one, a lot of people are receiving messages for already about making tax digital, especially if you have any property income. If you're more than 50,000, we start doing the returns now. Almost it's changing self-assessment to now quarterly, yeah? Depending on your threshold. So if your total income for the year from property is more than 50,000, they'll start submitting their self-assessments quarterly, like VAT, almost like VAT returns. Next year it will be 30,000, and the following year it will be the 20,000 threshold on property income. Other types of income they're still considering. So that last date there of 20,000, the 2026, 2027, they're still discussing whether they'll include other forms of income in that threshold, in that year.
And business structures as well. So for HMRC, there are partnerships may also be included in that bracket for MTD. So it's more, think about it as a way they are revising their system to have everything digitally, but going business structure by business structure. So individuals, businesses, corporation tax, eventually we'll get into that. So the more you can think about having record keeping digitally or software, I think the easier it is as far as compliance goes and record keeping goes.
Then we come to the payroll aspect. So this is money coming from paying individuals. So I think the employer does the payroll does do the tax, which is what we were saying is third party. Is the employer doing it on behalf of the staff.